Dude, first time it's seen sunlight in 35 years. Wow. This is so cool.
The amount of dirt and dust on this might be the most as far as like the thickness of dirt and dust. Like this is like a full-blown half-inch of dirt.
We're gonna mess up the shot pretty bad with this one. And here's the F250 custom badge, just absolutely covered. That worked way too nicely. Oh, it stinks, dude.
Cool interior, though.
Oh, yeah, the plaid this is really cool. It smells so bad though. Wow. RJ, this truck only has 17,000 miles on it.
I mean, it looks like it. The headliner is mint. The dash is nice.
I love this.
There's no rips in the leather and vinyl.
The painted interior, like the metal, the free exposed metal. It's so cool. Nothing has that now.
It's a really cool truck.
What do you think an original Ford truck like this with 17,000 miles on it, all fixed up and working, in running condition is worth? I've seen many guesses along the board. I know what the owner would want for it if he were to sell it, so I'm curious what you guys think.
All right, on to the interior. This thing is filthy. I have to get my mask on before we do anything.